Hello. What's up, Twitch heads? Let's look at fixing some bugs in our Amazon product price scanner. Let me fix the audio real quick. It sounds kind of loud. How's that? I think that's pretty good. Let me know. We got the house band playing today. Some disco again. Feeling that disco lately. I feel like the music could be a little loud. Let me turn it down a little more. Okay. Let me share my screen. Oh, you know what? I forgot to change something on Twitch real quick. Let me edit it. Make sure I'm in the right category. We're not talk shows and podcasts. We're web development and programming. And I don't know any other cool ones. So that's all we're doing. Okay. Let me share my screen. Why do I have so many dang windows open? Yes, I know my screen's still not shared. Okay, I'm ready. Let me just get rid of this cat hair all over my keyboard. Cool. Oh, just kidding. That's in the music. Let me turn off. Let's go full screen. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna look at some bugs in my warehouse app today. Let me clear some stuff out here. I went crazy with it lately. As you might have noticed, I did a little bit of rebranding on my channel, so. Been messing with that lately. Let me show you warehouse deals in case you haven't seen it yet. This is Warehouse Deals, coming at you live. So you log in, and then you have products here. These are products that I'm already watching right now, but if I wanted to watch a new product, let's say in Amazon, one of my bugs right now is that I can't scan deal URLs. So normally you'd be able to just right-click copy link address, and then come and add it, right? But a bug that I'm looking to fix that. Oh, shoot. Oh, it did. Yeah, that's the bug. So I'm looking at fixing today is the URL. It didn't actually pull an ASIN out of there. Oh, it did. But for some reason, it didn't get the data back correctly. So that's a bug. That's a bug. But normally, you would have a product URL like this. This could be a bigger bug, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. The URL must be an Amazon page. Well, it's just straight up broken, then. All right. We'll fix that. We'll see what's up. But there's three I'm trying to look at. So the deal URL does not scan. That was my original bug. Add product duplicate on scaled fans. Failed scans. So if I try to save this and the scan fails, it actually saves the product. It doesn't scan it, so each time I click save again, it creates another product. It's a real big hassle. And the cheapest product price is not scanned. So normally when we do our scanning, I'm looking in the, oh, they got certified refurbished now, but normally I'm looking at the all new and used offers. I guess they don't have it for this one. Let's look up. I don't know what they would have new and used offers on Amazon products. They might just try to sell you. Let's look for a tripod. And this should probably, yeah, this should have some. So I'm looking at this new and used. And I'm pulling these prices from here down, used down, but I'm not pulling that top price. Because normally that wasn't the cheapest price, but if that's the only price that's available, I still wanted to have that. And right now it doesn't work. It acts like the product's not available. So that's our third and final bug that we're gonna look at. I have more. I don't know if I want to get to that today. But first of all, deal URL does not scan. So like I said, I usually come from this all deals URL when I first come to Amazon. And the last time I tried to scan these URLs, it did not work. I see that one worked because in their URL, let me try to set something real quick. I have this little, I think it's an accessibility. Feature where I can blow up zoom, and I usually use just those two. Let's see. It's not working. Picture in picture. That's what I want. So if I hold that, there you go. Okay, so up in this Fire TV stick URL, you see how it has the DP/B07. That is our ASIN number, the B07 right there. And normally on these product URLs, if I click through to this one, you'll see it's just like /deal/day, whatever, some code. But that's not the ASIN code. That is probably, now that I'm looking at this page, because this is not a single product page. This is a like product type that I'm looking at. A category is what I should say. Whereas this is an actual product, this is a product, but that still doesn't have it. So this one, this exercise bike is a direct product. This is because it's like up to 20% off on select Samsung Galaxy tablets. Okay, so that's the issue. I didn't know what the issue was, but now I know. So what if someone tries to copy one of these URLs? I think I'll just let them deal with it then. I'm the one using it right now, and if I scan the wrong URL, I know why. I know what the issue is. I guess I could check to see if they have a /deal/whatever and alert them. Let me just copy this, and I'll put a note in my code for now. Where is this code, you ask? So this is the add product page, and I already have some code here. I'm checking the URL. I'm going to do a sample deal URL here. Save it for later. Actually, let's just do it. It's like 2 seconds. I just want to check, does deal / something exist in there? So if the URL is /deal / then we know it's an Amazon page. Now it's a deal page, so I want to say URL is a deal page. Please use single product URL. Let's try that. So this was a deal. Let's do the tablet. Copy link address. This was a deal URL. I'm going to go back, add product again. Could not get ASIN from URL. Is URL a product page? This should be true. I messed that up. Refresh. There we go. The URL is a deal page. Please use single product URL. Hopefully you know what that means. So that fixes the bug of not being able to scan deal URLs. But I was having a straight up bug. Anyway, let's see. Let's copy this URL and see why is it not. That's interesting. It's working now. What did I scan that was not working? Was it the Fire Stick page? Maybe it's Amazon URLs that don't work. But anyway, you can add a product here. It grabs the image, grabs that. I can do change the name with whatever I want. I'm just going to call it exercise bike. Save that, scans the prices, and then it shows it in my list. I can see the scan results here on the right. So there's one price. It was $4.99 new, which might not be true. Let's see. Was there more than one? See, that's the other bug right here. It scanned this new price, but the cheaper one is coming from someone else. So the cheapest price is shown instead. And that's not what I'm scanning. I need to add that. So that's our next bug. But let me double check. If I copy this URL and I paste it, it was probably just my, I don't know, maybe my connection, maybe it failed for some reason, but let's save that and see, does that scan the prices okay? It says not available, and I think that's because it's an Amazon product or also because of this same bug. Interesting they have certified refurbished. So I'll take that as a task. Support certified refurbished. I don't really want to add a whole URL there, but see, does it crop it? No? Ugh. Terrible. Well, Fire Stick TV Lite is an example product that has that option because it's an Amazon product and they are therefore certified refurbished. Okay. So deal URL does not scan. Done. Didn't even really do anything on that. We just figured out why deal URLs can't scan. Add product duplicate on failed scans. Let me look at the cheapest price first. Let's look at cheapest price, product price does not scan. So this one was an example of that case. Right now, when I scan, let me pull up some data real quick. Actually, I can pull it from my console here. So down here in my console, I spit out my entries. The first one, it's the second one, finer form, whatever. And I want this all offers URL. I want to see what comes back from it. See if there is HTML. I believe, yeah, so that does come back. I'm just looking at too deep, I think. This is really hard to see with the... Basically what I'm looking at here is this little pop-up box. So I guess we could just look in here. I want this right here. Okay. So I'm trying to see real quick where this diverges. Okay, AOD pinned offer, and I think I'm only looking in the offer list. So I want the AOD pinned offer. This is my scan all offers lib. I'm looking for AOD offer right now. Maybe I should just add AOD pinned offer. I think from inside there, the rest is the same. Do both of them, and then I'm still going to iterate over each of them to pull information. Let me just turn off save the database results for now, because I don't want to save it while I debug it. Okay, let's do a test scan, and let's see what we get back. I'm gonna delete this product. I don't care about it. I'm going to delete this one. And I'm going to delete... Nah, I'll just leave those. Okay. Refresh price as. So, since last time we were on stream, behind the scenes, I actually updated my refresh prices code. Previously, I was hitting my endpoints for each one of these items, and it was causing clog the feed, and I was getting back a lot of unavailable errors, service unavailable from Amazon. So I had to change it to, I just call one endpoint now. It looks at all your products, rescans all of them. Sequentially, I actually wait until each request comes back before I start the next one, so I'm not clogging their thing. So it takes a lot longer now. But I have yet to have a failed Scan, except for this looks like I did have some scale fans. Let's see. Scan all offers. No, I got all scans in there. It just looks like it didn't refresh correctly. I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, you know what? I didn't save them. I turned off the saving. Stupid Chad. Okay, that's why. So it's doing the rescans. I mean, Chad. Chad's not my real name. It's Chad. But let's see what we got back from the scan all offers. Which one was this? What number is this? This is LKL9. Not this one. It's got to be that last one. It has both of them. Okay. So it should say the lowest price is $319. The only problem is I don't sort that list at all right now. I need to sort it on price. So let me show you. I'll turn this back on, save it. We'll run a refresh. Refresh prices. It saves the prices, rescans them, boom. Now I see the actual list price. It was $180 cheaper. Okay, so I'm really getting the latest price, that main scan price. Sold by Woot. Wow. So it's a Woot deal right now, probably. Brooks Zerker, hey man, what's up? You like that little crab wave, huh? You used that last time. Okay, so I'm getting the full price up now, and I think all the information looks okay. It's still pulling the same data directly. The condition, the whatever. Cool. So I could mark that it's the pinned field. I don't necessarily care for that yet, whether it's the price or not. I just want it to be sorted by the price. So we'll skip that feature altogether. But let's look at sorting. So my problem with the sorting is, like I said, oh, Brooksucker, it's one of your emotes. I didn't know that. Ooh, that is cool emote. How do I get that? I don't have it, right? No. You gotta be a subscriber for that, huh? Making me jealous over here. So the scans and the offers, it doesn't have a join price. I'm pulling, the way they put it in their code was like whole fraction and decimal. I need to join that. I'm currently doing that manually, but I might as well be doing that with the scan now. I don't care to support other currencies right now. So that was my initial concern with splitting it up, was somehow tying into that, but who cares? Okay, scan all offer, and that's in offers. I have the 3 here. I'm gonna end up adding it down here. Generate full price. It's gonna be offer dot. Call it current price. Or, yeah. I could just call it dot price. Yeah, let's do that. Well, Brooks Zerker, I got channel points. I'm gonna try to unlock some next time I see you on stream. that price is actually going to be the whole, the fraction, and the decimal. Offer.whole. Offer.price fraction. Price decimal. Is that right? Decimal is literally the decimal. Okay. I wonder if I should do that. I wonder if I should throw the $sign in there and then just parse it out when I need to. So for example, if I did like 150 dot, and this is actually parse int. Parse float. Is the $sign? Yeah. Yeah, let's leave the $sign off. Whole, decimal, fraction. Join on an empty string. That's the full price. Let's save it, run it again, and see if it comes back. Okay. Entries, I want that third one. No, it's gotta be the first one. Exercise bike, scans, and my latest scan, pretty sure that's it. There it is, price, $3.19. And now I want to sort them by the price before I save them. That's fine, offers already does that. So I'm gonna say offers.sort, good old AB. I just wanna sort by number. Is there a Lodash sorter for this? Let me see. I bought Lodash in recently. Just their simple dot sort. Sort by. Yeah, I want this one. And this, I want to say P, no, it's an offer. The offer dot price, and I want to wrap that in a number. Oops, wrap that in a number. I'll delete the extra parentheses. Let's do it here. Okay. No, there was not an extra parentheses, but let's pull that in. Lodash, sort by. Okay. So that should sort it correctly for us. Let's find a product that has a more expensive used price. I don't need that. Don't need that. warehouse deals. This one might, let's try it. Their price is $189, which is the cheapest price. Oh, but this says it's 200. Is that what this says? No. Okay, so it actually pulled the right. Oh, it pulled it because I'm pulling this top one now. But it is not sorted correctly, so we should see, yeah, see how it's 189, that was the pin product, and then 200 was the next one in here, in line, and then 194. So this one, even these, oh, because of shipping, that's why it's actually later. So another one of my bugs was to calculate shipping. We could do that as well. But let me see. Just to make sure that this one is working correctly, we could just sort this, and that should put the 189, 194, 200. So let's try that. Everything is up to date. Refresh. Rescan. Reboot. There it is. It's sorted. Ah! Bug number 2 is down. It's scanned and sorted. Not calculating shopping. Let's throw that one in since we're right on the heels of this bug right now. Let me check in. Scan all offers. Scan end offer 2. Okay. Not shipping that yet. But we are committing it. So cost info. So what's happening there is it's pulling this price, I believe. Let's look at our latest scan. Let me drop this off. Water break. Okay. So it is the second product, and it should be in the first scan. So this doesn't currently have the shipping. I think I might have commented it out because it should be pulling that shipping info. Did I? No, I'm trying. But that was the shipping date. Let me see. Let me look at HTML. Maybe I'm not scanning it at all. I think I didn't scan this because it didn't easily have something to wrap around it. There was... It's kind of a span out there on its own. It's got this styling stuff to it, but I don't like to attach to styling other than a definite name. I tried pulling this and then doing the thing right before it. That doesn't work. At deliverypromise.prev. So it is trying to pull it, it's just not pulling it correctly. Let me see in the HTML response. Should list it in there. This is coming from this product, all offers URL. Okay. And free shipping plus $19.95 shipping. Let me try that jQuery because it should work. And that's probably the first one. And not the one we want. Document.query selector all. You should spell it right. 2, 3, 4. I want the fourth one, or the third one. How do I get the third one? Do I say EQ3? Oh, it's like a classic query selector. I wonder where they list all these query selector in the style, or I mean the capabilities. Thought it was EQ. Do I use like the regular CSS one maybe? It's not really jQuery, Brooks. This is actually the browser version. I'm looking at this page. The $sign in here is their browser version. I think it's a watered down version. So nth child. Yeah, there we go. Nth child. Didn't grab the right one, but let's try a different one. 0, 1, 2, 3. Four, 5. I want the next one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why is there no next one? I am given. Yes, jQuery would be a lot easier. Also, I'm using this Cheerio library, and that's what I think it should have the .previous, but it's not. I'm wondering if it's grabbing the right element because it's looking within each offer. It's not looking at all of the offers on the page, like my query is. Let's try out Cheerio Creve. I think I want traversing. They have pre. So siblings? Let me see if I do siblings. See, I can't. I wish I could just paste it in there and try it, but the way to debug this is a little wonky. Let's do siblings. And let's see, is there any other siblings? There is the other stuff, but let me try that, and let me try also to just console log it out. Siblings.length, and I don't need clean text. We're getting a little funky jazzy in here now. All right. Let me call that siblings and see what that spits out. Hopefully it should get that shipping info as well. Okay. Refresh the scans. It did list out siblings, and I think I'll just want to take whatever the last sibling is. But let's look at another one real quick and see what siblings does this guy have, huh? Because right now I'm looking at right before arrives. And the other one, it usually says, and free shipping. So I wonder if it's using my location. No, because here I see it here. So it should be going plus 19. Okay, let's look at it again. So we're looking at middle products, scans, the latest one, all offers, with no shipping on the first one. That is correct. Maybe that's why I was looking at the wrong one. Full time? No. AVL gear, which is the one that has shipping. It's AVL gear, so that one should be showing me something. And that one doesn't have shipping info either. Let's just try siblings. And then I want to grab the last. So siblings.last.text. And let's change this to text to just pull out all the text. What does this say? Okay, one more scan. So you can see debugging is really very, very little code and a lot of just thinking through the flow and what's happening. Which is what I like most. I like debugging. I like fixing bugs. I don't like writing new code so much, to be honest. Okay. No shipping info. No shipping info. No shipping info. What's the dealio? I'm not looking. I'm looking at them in the right order, right? Does this one have? Yeah, that's the old one. That's the old one. What did the server say? It spit out of nothing, huh? For all of them. Okay, so it didn't work. Brooke Zerker, I'm not sure if there's an actual API. I would like to sign up for that, but I haven't even looked into it. I just went straight to scraping. I was like, I'm just gonna scrape this page. I thought it would be more fun. It's definitely more fun. Makes me feel a little more mischievous. But there could be an actual API. Let me see. Product advertising API. What'll Stack Overflow say? There's 2 of them. Product advertising. Websites when advertising advertised intended for use for third-party vendors on Amazon. Do I need Oh, actually purchase through my site too, huh? Do I get my own? What? Do I get my own commission if I buy it from myself too? That seems like a scam. Is it because I'm not a business account? I mean, what's the deal here? Where did my Stack Overflow go? There. I open this in a new tab, and then I cannot view anything. What about this one? Selling Partner API. So do I need to be a seller? That's what I was wondering. Yeah, Brooke Zerker. See, this is why I didn't want to do that. But that is definitely a more solid option and something down the line. But right now, I don't want to create like a seller account. Are those free anyway? Can I do that for free? Especially if I have to pay for it. But that's an interesting rabbit. What was I doing before this? So I want to make sure I'm pulling the AOD delivery promise. And then I'm finding the siblings, which should be up one and then all the siblings. I just don't understand why that last span is empty. And I did straight up just .text, so it should have returned text of all of that. Yeah, this is why I tried this when I initially set it up. I did try to get that price, and it was just not coming for me. And now it's like feels totally broken. Let me try. I'm gonna clean text because that will also drop off all the extra spaces. And let's try it again and see if we get anything. Can I just do a .parent? Parent. And then just try to spit that out. And let me see if I get everything. Parent. Text. I'm going to change that here too. Call it again. Going down to the middle product, to the scans, to the first scan, to the offers, and okay, so I do see the free shipping. The second one, plus $19.95 shipping. So maybe I want to cut out at the arrives. What was it in the first? No, it's details as well. So I could cut it at arrives and then chop off the details. And what's the third one? Free shipping. Let me try that siblings again. Why didn't the siblings work? Maybe it was just too long and I screwed it up, but I feel like the last should work. But maybe it's not the last one. Maybe it's the first one. It should be the last one. Okay. Fresh scan. Oh, not first one. I want that middle one. Yeah, worked there. And worked there. And it worked there. Okay, that's weird. It's working now, but so I want to cut off anything after the word shipping, basically. I'm gonna do that. I have this method up, well, here, clean text, and I'm gonna say clean shipping text as well. So first I'm gonna do clean text around it, and then I'm gonna take that, but I'm probably gonna want to copy this. Let me just do that real quick. It's gonna be a multi-line. So I'm gonna const clean, and then I'm gonna say I want to return cleaned substring 0 from clean dot index of shipping. And I want to do 2 lowercase just to make sure from the index of shipping minus shipping.length, because that's the start of the index. We'll just make sure substring, one of them is start and stop, and one of them is start and total. So this is start and length, how many to go. I don't want that. I want the other one. I want the start and end, which is substring, the full one. substring, index start, index end. Okay. Brooke Zerker, my linter of choice. I usually don't use a linter for work stuff. I just kind of take whatever's in there, but like some of my lint styles are definitely don't like semicolons, as you can see. I'm not a fan of the Airbnb. I'm a fan of like maybe some of the Airbnb stuff. That was a big one for a while. But when on my own projects, I usually don't even have a linter. I just do, I think whatever is default with create React app or create next app. This is a next app, so it doesn't actually have any hunting out of the box, which I kind of like. I like hunting down the bugs on my own, you know? Okay, so I think that should work. It could also not calculate correctly. Let's do it. But we want to clean shipping text, spell it right. And then instead of clean it, I'm gonna clean it there, and I want to pull this in from up here. And where was that? So I should have it there. And let's just drop that sucker there. Okay, another scan. Refresh prices. Auto break. Scan, number one, offers, number one. See, I'm cutting it all out somehow. I'm cutting it way out. I'm cutting all the shipping text off. Maybe it gives me the end of where let's try to do it in the browser real quick. So if I do that, what does my code say? I want clean text. And then we're doing this. So if I drop this off, oh, I don't want to do minus, I want to do plus. Always the opposite, huh? Okay, so what if we do it with the string, free shipping string? Let's double check that while we're here. Oops, going back to this page. And free shipping, and free shipping. Perfect. And I want to take off the and there too, so let's dot replace. Is that a space and or just and? In case there is one, that should also fix it. There we go. Free shipping. Okay, but what we really want is a price, right? So now that I have that, I'm gonna just call that shipping text. And then let's calculate it down below. I actually want ship price. That is right. For the shipping price is ship text. So if the offer.shipping text, this is probably going to take a couple statements now that I'm thinking about it. If offer.shipping text starts with free, and the shipping price is 0. Else if offer shipping text that starts with plus, and the shipping price is the offer.shipping text. I really just need a regex. Pull that out. Do I want to regex, or do I just want to parse it out somehow? What does that shipping text look like? Plus 1995. So I just want the price. I can easily just start in here and then say, okay, grab Let's try writing a regex on it. Okay. I don't want test. What do I want to match? Let's look at the regex files again. I forget. I think I want to match. Does that return an array? So it should be, oh, Alexa, cancel. That's the timer gone off. Colorado Avalanche game's coming up in a half an hour, guys. We're gonna have to try to wrap up before then. We're almost there, feeling good. Okay, so I want the text.match this regex. So the text.match, and I want to say I think I want both, and I want to say digit or period, one or more. That's not right at all. There we go. I wanted a or digit or character. I want a period, not any character. Let me see. Yeah, that's not right. I wanted that slash there. I don't know why it returns that second 5, but I want that first one. Okay, so I can do that. And so the const match offer shipping text match, and then just to be safe, I'll say if match 0, then I want that. I'm going to make this in quotes. I don't want it to be an actual number. I want it to be the same. Like this one is a price. It's text. So I'm going to do that and say match bracket 0. I'm going to say toString. I think it should always be a string anyway. Yeah, let's just keep that. Okay, so that should have shipping price $19.95, just the number. And then I need to update the price. I'm going to generate the price second, because now that I'm pulling the shipping info, I'm going to have to do some more work on generating the full price. Because then I want to say if should I add a price? Yeah, so if okay, let's just const price equals, I already pasted that. So that is the price. I'm gonna call it without shipping. I'm gonna put that on the offer. So offer.price without shipping. And then the price, I'm gonna automatically include shipping. I'm gonna do an option for both, whatever. So, let's slow it down for a second. So I want to take the price off dot price without shipping. Then I want to add the offer.shipping price. So those will both be strings. I want to make them numbers. This one as well. Convert it to a number, and then finally, I'm going to do a .toFixed because I don't want to do some long decimal. So I think that should cover all of it. I should now have price without shipping and price. And then later on, I did sorting by price. I do it down here. Okay, yeah. By the price. And that's total price. Okay. I'm feeling good. Can I get some first tries? Some first tries in the chat. First try luck. We haven't ran it yet, of course. Refresh prices. Okay. Entries, that middle one. Ah, they're out of order now. So scan offers. I'm about ready to drop that whole price whole stuff off there, but there's no shipping text. Price without shipping is $189. Price is not a number. Okay. Did I? Shipping price. Oh, I did. I should just make this the default. Always. How about that? And I don't know why I use double quotes there. I should be using single quotes. What am I doing? Why didn't anyone say anything? It's because I don't have a linter. Brooks, you got me. Okay, so now it should always have a shipping price of at least 0. And I'll still set it. I mean, it's not going to change anything, but if it starts with free, I'll still set it. Okay. Scan the people. Okay, so the sorting is wonky. But let's see, did scan come out okay? Price. Without shipping, the price is still not a number, but price without shipping, it doesn't have the shipping price on there. It's a deal, man. Did this fail somehow? No. Price without shipping. Because there's no ship text. Which there should be shipping text. Did I not update this code correctly? No. Clean shipping. Oh, this is not. No, this is right. Siblings last. Just sometimes it scans it and sometimes it doesn't. That's so weird. Because it's not pulling any of that shipping data now. And it's sorting, I should be sorting on price. Yeah, something feels off because it should at least have the shipping price. For price without shipping, shipping price, which is totally missing. Let me try it again, I guess. Maybe I need to refresh. Second product, not the image URLs. Scans, offers. Yeah, there's the shipping price is 0, okay. And the price worked out. I don't know, it was just not a sync or something. This is why I don't trust hot reload. But the price work, so it should be sorted correctly. Yes, it is. However, in this one, the shipping price is 0 because the shipping text is empty. This one's shipping text is empty too. So I don't know why sometimes it's not returning. All right, Brooke Zerker, have fun. Eat something delicious. Talk to you later, man. Thanks for hanging out. I don't know why. Refresh. Sometimes it's not show. It says it there. Shipping. Plus shipping. Oh, there is a case where it's prime delivery. Let me just be safe. Let me change this to, not this, instead of, just starts with free. Let's say, I think it contains free. Let's try it. Maybe it still includes. Yep, still includes. contains is probably for a set, I would guess. Okay. Hopefully that will fix future things where it's like crime-free. Theme from Shaft riff. But I just don't understand why this doesn't work sometimes. Let me console log out the... Or I could just do the parents and try to take... Try to recreate this, because I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna clean text that so it's shorter. Okay. Refresh. I'm also going to show it in the UI. Used to show that under, this is scan table. Shipping. Spell it right. This should be shipping price. And I don't want that. I just want the $ first. What is that get price? I shouldn't need that anymore. Actually, I am using that offer.currency. So let's change this to price. Just straight out price and join. That's why it's not working. I forgot to change that to a plus. Amateur hour. Okay. Shipping price is definitely not defined. That should be offer.shipping price. Okay, so those scans were messed up. I have to rescan to fix that. Let's do that. All right, almost a half hour, hour and a half in too. I'd like to finish this up and be on my way. You know, just be on my way. No. I think I meant to show shipping text, not shipping price. But let's look at it, the source. Let's go straight to the source. There's still shipping text. What did the parents say? The parents work. Even though that scan didn't show any of the free shipping or anything, it did scan it correctly. Let me see, scan results table. Let's show the shipping text. This is for debugging. I don't really want to see this as a shopper, but there is none there on any of them. And we introduced a new bug. If there's no price, oh, that's just because it's old code. My bad. Let me clear out the scans. We'll start fresh. Refresh prices. Okay, free shipping plus $19.95 shipping. Okay, so it totally worked all of a sudden. Dope. That time it actually pulled the shipping stuff okay. Free shipping for all of them. Let's refresh, see if it's intermittent. Yeah, see, that time it didn't pull any of them. But I think it still pulls, it still works. No, interesting. These times, it's still showing something. So there's free delivery, free shipping. Could just wing it and try to go for that. Because there's also these other ones down here where pulled just free delivery. I wonder what that is. Let me kill this and restart it, just in case. I'm having some problems with the connections. I think I fixed some of it. I haven't pulled it up to Mongo Atlas. Pulled it up to check. So. I mean, if you're gonna give me an ad for it, I guess we'll click it. I'm gonna log in. Why is there no login? That's really weird. Build a landing page without a login. Ugh, CAPTCHA. Mountains or hills? Jeez. Metrics. Oh, I wanted where on the home page. Connections. There we go. So they're still climbing up. Something is still causing it. I think it's just the dev server, but yeah, I gotta keep a watch on because after a couple refreshes, auto refreshes here, it takes up a lot of connections for some reason. Okay, so free delivery. So I think I'll just honestly try to pull out the first. I'll see if it's free. And if it's not, I'll try to pull out the first price. See if it works from the parents instead. So should be parent.text, and I'm going to rely on clean shipping text. Which is in my utils. So I'm going to clean the text. Actually, I'm trying to do the parsing and scan all offers down later on, down the line, right? Let's just do this kind of stuff. Our shipping text. Try to pull out, just straight up pull out shipping price, I guess. Okay. Do I want to do that in the library? I think I do, but I think I want to start with that. And then I want to say const shipping text is all of that. Instead of putting it on the offer, let's just say if shipping text includes free, I'm going to keep as 0. If it, instead of starts with, let's just say if it matches. I basically want this. I might need to adjust that. Can I say let? I mean, I guess I just... Let's test it though. So some of that text is plus $19.95 shipping, and some of it is just $19.95. Let's see what we get back here. I think I had it. I'll just start with that and say not matched. Okay, so that works. If it starts with, oops. And then what if it has like multiple options? $40, $45. Still only pulls the first one, which is what I want. First case of it. Okay. So I think that should... What if it doesn't have anything? No. And free shipping. Okay, that's what I want. So I think that should be good. Let's try that. Let me clear the scans again. Start with the fresh no scans. Okay, no shipping text. No shipping text. But it did pull the price out correctly, and it calculated it correctly. Because I'm not saving the shipping text anymore. So if I drop that out, that's all $0 because it's free shipping. I can keep this the way it is. Oops. Yeah, bring that back there. I actually don't think I even need that because I'm just... Let me try it without this. I think I can just do the normal clean text. And it should work the same. Let's try it. Refresh for safety. Okay, 2 scans, no shipping on any of those, 19.95 on that. And there, yeah, that's working too. Okay, so I think it's working correctly. I'm gonna drop the shipping text in, I'm not even in this file, let's close that thing. We're not keeping that track of that anymore. We are doing a shipping, let's say get, let's call it get formatted shipping price. Because what I really want to do is drop off if the price shipping price if the upper shipping price is equal 0, I don't want to print anything. I'm just going to return nothing. Otherwise, we'll do that. Something's not working. I called it shipping price. Yes. If it equals 0, return empty. Let me just refresh the page because who knows what happened. It should be showing 1999 there. Let's just log the shipping price and see what we're getting. Undefined on all of them. It should never be undefined. Oh, because I'm supposed to pass the offer. Why didn't you guys tell me that, huh? I'm passing the price. I just want to pass the offer. There you go, 1999. And it's kind of lonely. I mean, I guess I don't really need to show it. I'd rather just cut it off. So let's do that. But we have that code now, in case we ever want it. And it's calculating the full price, so it's sorting them correctly with the full price. All right, I think it's working. Let's see, let's clear it. And then let me remove any console logs I might have. This file's not edited anymore. This is not needed anymore. Did console log anywhere? No? Yep, there they are. I knew it. I knew it. And our shipping is 0. Let me just check my source and see what changes we've made so far. So we updated our price, formatted price, because now we're calculating it differently. And we added that formatted shipping price, though we're not using it. We'll leave it there for future Chad. This can go back. I knew there was something else that I was forgetting. In the scan results table, we don't need to bring that in anymore. Okay, so let's view our sim. So just this other file. We're not using the clean shipping text anymore. Let's drop that. We added shipping price, we dropped the shipping text altogether. And we're grabbing the shipping text, matching it up, setting the shipping price, set the price without shipping, the regular price with shipping, and added the sort down here. Maybe that was in the last commit. Yep, should be, okay. This music's kind of weird. Feels kind of ABBA-ish. Okay. Refresh the page. Making sure that I'm down on my compiler. Okay, there's no console logs. Refresh price. Scanning. Boom. Where's the woot price? Did it go away? Yeah, that was a flash deal. See, we needed the alert for that. Could have saved $100. Oh, no, that's not it. It's gone now. So now full price again. And this one, so it's $189, $200, and this is the actual price with shipping. So if we look at that, and we look at the new prices, this one is $189.88, which is what we're showing. 200.88 from MZ Photo. That is this one. And then this last one from AVL Gears, 194 plus 1995 shipping, which is our 214. So we're pulling real price there, not that fake stuff. Hey VinDev, how's it going? I just finished off my last bug for the night, double checking that it's working. I'm about to push it to prod and test it there as well. Everything looks good. Okay, let's commit and push. Kill that. This is a great going out song. Status, git add, git. Oh, let's bump the version. 1.4.0. Add that as well. Because now we are including shipping prices. And we'll push that up. Pew! What's going on, VinDev? You doing anything? Coding? Let's watch that go live. Close out all these tabs I got. And this one. I'm gonna go warehouse deals. Boop. I have to go off screen for a second. Hold on. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Okay. And we're back. So this is aren't showing because things at property. I've got a lot of old scans in here. I'm gonna clear them out. Then Deb, let me show you. Okay, so this is an Amazon product price scanner. What it does is usually come and paste in your Amazon URL. Like say you got a product URL. Let me grab them for you. Our example today was the exercise bike. They've got some going for $3.99. Not seeing it anymore though. But say you grab this URL, paste it in there. It scans the page. See something wrong with my scanner there. I don't know why it's breaking on production, but that's weird. It should scan the page, and then you can save it, and then you'll monitor the products basically. So these are the products I've already been monitoring. I just cleared out all my prior scans. I'm gonna refresh scan. It's gonna go out to Amazon, scan the product page, get all of the prices. By all of the prices, I mean Amazon shows new and used prices. So I'm not just looking at the main one here. I'm looking at all the used prices as well, because a lot of times I find deals on used deals from Amazon Warehouse. So that's why I wanted to make this app. So the cheapest price is actually $74.71, even though they're showing it as $79.99. So let's see, that's what I'm getting here, latest price. You'll see it shows the used like new for $74.71, and then $70.99 is the full price. This one's got a lot of different sellers. It might have some people doing shipping. Actually, let me show you with the shipping. That was, oh, I don't have that product in here anymore. But let's look here. Maybe one of these? No. Could be one of these. So in the Zendesk, if we look at all of them, they start at $49.99. I see the cheapest price is $49.99, which is true. That's the cheapest price. Do any of these have shipping? No shipping. Okay. There was another product that I was looking at that was a... Let me pull that from here. This one had shipping. Copy link address. Let me see if I can add this product. Yeah, see, it's broken on production. I wonder what error's getting. I can't add new products, but the scanning's working. I got a 500. Let me go back and try it again. So that's something I'll have to look at. That's a new bug, fresh one. Fresh off the publish. But I've got the prices there. But basically, it'll include shipping here in this price. Nah, that isn't a feature. So we did not calculating shipping as well. So that was the third bug we completed today. This is the next one that's be a problem, which I need to support. I need to show. And that's another bug. So I work on this off screen, but right now, I got my 3 bugs in. I got the ones I wanted to do, so I'm feeling good. I deployed it, it's there. I've got my scans. Things are good. Prices aren't changing here because I have only one fresh scan now. But for up to version 1.0, I should be able to see 6 unique products. There's only 6 scans. Cleaned them out. Cool. I'm also tracking scans failed. So if a scan failed for some reason, I am tracking that. I need to update the product URL. I'm only looking at the price scan right now, but I need to update the product URL scans. I'll do the string. But that's all I got. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Let's look at rating. I think I'm gonna see Griffin. Usually watching him during the day. He's great to just put on the background, chill out, see what's going on with him. So let's see, Ray, CM Griffin. That channel is intended for mature audiences. He does some drinking. Nothing out of control, you know, but he does some drinking. He does a little bit. All right. So, I'm Cheddar. Next time, I'll be streaming again with some more features on this. Catch you later. Hang out for the raid.